Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe nengomashe 1-0 win to Orlando Pirates. Another cup in the bag Ntanga. Eyafana khibone kanjani?
Ntanga, like I think it was a beautiful final, Ntanga. Like in Fetu, as much as Orlando Pirates wanted things to be easy, but Marumo Gallants like did their homework. They came here wanting also to win, young tall, which is like it's winning, but like it was a difficult game. And the coach in Tang frustrated and isn't as because Uzami complicates into unnecessary, but don't make it into difficult. In fact, it's into magazines simple like Masindi is not in the game. Take Masindi out, it's bad. Yeah.
And then thoughts on Mbata's performance?
Khohle Ntanga, ama-talent awafani Mbatha Mfethu gave us yonke into mesiyidinga in the middle of the park. I was surprised ukuthi uKhehleni Makhawula uphumile, but like lento akayenzile isebenzile introducing uMuremi taking urile phakathi, you understand, but I still think uMatsindi kumele aphume. But coming back to Mbatha Ntanga was there like when we 1-10 mekahlala khona masifuna ama-second ball mekakhona Ntanga. I think like he was also a contender of man of the match njengoba sikhulumile. Yeah.
And then Umbokazi, it's his last game today. You know what is going to the US. How did you make of his performance today?
I think it didn't start well, like in terms of Angitola. I think mega confident yakhe beyaluzeka kancane since ayilokoloka yenza ama-mistake, but I think second half he came back playing beautiful passes, Angitola directing, dictating. I think second half he tried to dominate the game as much as first half we were doing that, but like Mikna Matreta Paya, second half Umbokazi wabuya, and like Ntanga, it's a great thing ukuthi uhambe like in a cup. You understand? And I wish him well lapha yakhona adlale grand.
And then can you talk about Master Chef? PhD says he cooks and then he washes the dishes as well. Thoughts on his cameo on extra time?
Iphoza Ntanga. Yes, I was frustrated ukuthi ucoach akakhiphanga uMasini, but what happened ubonile ukuthi uyenza iflop. You understand? Maye qeda ukufaka uMbule. Uwazi mekazi ukuthi uMbule 1 mark for us. Wakhipha uMasindi there wafaka uDasini. uMbule uyoswinele le game like in extra time because uMbule made us to play. uMbule like was enjoying himself. Ngathi we not in the final Ntanga. Ngathi aslead 1-0. Ngathi like you don't have pressure. He stabilized the game Ntanga.
Iphoza Ntanga. And then ama substitution waka coach Ntanga. You saw Tansini in fact coming in fact he gave it his all, you understand. You saw Umbutuma coming in, he gave it his all as well, young Tola. Hoto as well, young Tola Intenjan. Surely you must give a coach shout out. I don't know what he tells them before Bangena, but beautiful from our substitutions.
Yes, that's why I'm saying ukuthi coaches uflopile angithola ngokungakhiphi nomtatshela. I'll say that, but wonke ama-player Ntanga angenile they gave their hearts. Last 5 minutes or 15 minutes Ntanga wonke umuntu they are fighting for everything. When they say it's a foul they fight, like from the goalkeeper Ntanga to the striker everyone fought. I think like ucoach mfethu as much as like frustrated ngayo uyiwinile mfethu ngamsolana, you understand, and each and everyone fought Ntanga. Coming to Dasin Ntanga, we spoke about it ukuthi uDasini mfethu is fighting, he wants to win, he's showing ukuthi ungeneleni Mbuthuma like Ntanga ngababala bonke, but like we are Orlando Pirates for a reason and we showing ukuthi as much as ama game noma ngekho right we can still go on and go on and go on and go on and go on.
Go on and go on and go on and go on Ntanga. And then last question Ntanga, man of the match today.
I mean, my man of the match, Angitola, like I said, Mbatha was also a contender, but he came here for that mainly. Because Undondonai was also part, yes, he has good Pirates, but was also first 55 minutes was a problem. He could have got the man of the match. But like coming back to us, Ntanga CM, I mean, alibone CM Ntanga. Yabona Ntanga ile light ile shine ayilungabonakali, but le shine. Because Mbokazi when was not playing right, Siema was there to cover. Siema was there throughout Ntanga. So for me, Siema Ntanga gave it all. I think ngamnikeza man of the match today.
Considering he hasn't been playing as well, he just came in with final high intensity game, young tall. He deserves a shout as well Ntanga. Bopa.